back to the Minion Moto Show, you guys, and how y'all doing today? Well, this is going to be a little bit of a different shout out because you're gonna see 2, 4, 6 other channels, one of which I've already freaking gosh damn shouted out because he's a good friend of mine, and the other 5 or 4 of them I don't know who the hell they are, and one guy I've kind of heard of. But anyways, Python the Run, bro, 29 subscribers. He's a good big supporter. He watches people's videos and he actually supports people on Instagram. I've already shouted out Donovan. I know who I don't really know Mr. Mustache, but I've heard of him. Anyways, y'all need to go over and hit the red button for Python the Run. That's how you spell the name. He'll pop right up in the gosh damn search bar. Put Python space the Run. So go subscribe to him and let's push him to make some videos. Python, make some videos of the cigars and stuff like that, bro, that you like. I don't care if they're long or short or whatever. Make some videos, bro.